Today I'm going to be unboxing a Starlink kit. Without any waste of time, let's dive in and see what is in the box. As you can see, this Starlink kit is brand new. I ordered this directly from the Starlink website. I really love the packaging, even though this one is slightly different from the previous one. The previous one, this shock absorber used to be plastic and more sealed. As you can see, very good for shock absorbing. If you look at it right now, you see a little bit of debris or dust. Now I understand this is the main reason why some people were complaining that they ordered their kit and it wasn't brand new. I think it's just a little bit of dirt due to this new type of packaging. The first thing we'll see from the box when we remove the top, we'll see this standard stand. This is the standard Starlink stand. I think on the site you can buy different other type of stands. This one is actually designed for those who are going to be using the Starlink on mobile. That is, they are being mobile with it. There are different types of stands you can get from the site, but this is the one that is shipped with this particular kit. Let's keep it like that. The next thing we can see clearly in the box is actually the dish itself. This is actually the Gen 2 dish, which is having the motorized app. As you can see, I'm going to be diving in deeper into everything you will need to know about Starlink or ordering your own Starlink kit. Let's keep this aside. Now, I think this is the only manual that comes with the Starlink kit, and on it is pretty straightforward. There are 3 diagrams on it demonstrating how you can quickly mount this. You should note that these kits are designed for self-served. It is a plug and play device, so it's not complicated. That's why from these 3 simple diagrams you can quickly, anyone without any technical knowledge can quickly unbox this and mount it very successfully just by using this simple manual. Right inside the box, there is 15 meters long Starlink cable that comes with this particular kit, and this may be too short if you want to put it very high on top of your building, but on the site you can order more longer cables. This one is just 15 meters. I think there is a 75 meters as well as there is a 150 meters if I'm not making a mistake. So but this one, I ordered this with this because this is going to be enough for where I want to mount this. The next thing we can see in the box is the router. Wow, I love the build quality of this router. It has the Tesla Cybertruck shaped or design. Look at this shape. This is a Gen 2 router. Under the router, as you can see, there are just 2 connections. The one for the power and the one for the satellite connection. The next thing we'll get in the box is a very solid power cable that connects to the router. I love the quality of the cable. Everything is very original. Everything is well built. Okay, let's see what else we have inside. We have a sticker. This is a Starlink sticker with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards on the dish. I don't know what this represents, but I think it's a nice sticker. Okay. These are regulatory notes, terms and conditions, policies, etc. This is a standard kit, the Starlink standard kit, and it's the Gen 2. Right now, Starlink is having the Gen 3 as well as the Gen 4, but our focus will be this Gen 2. This is the one that is mostly popular. Stay connected, for I'm going to be doing a deep dive with how I'm going to connect and set up this device, as well as I'll be benchmarking the device for us to see both the upload and the download speed that this beast can offer.